बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन स्टडीज़। पिछली वीडियो में हमने देखा ROM। ROM stands for read only memory. It is a permanent storage area. It contains startup instructions of the computer and information about its hardware devices. It is fixed on the motherboard. ROM is non-volatile, that is, information is not lost when the power is switched off. Data cannot changed or removed from the ROM. That is why it is called read-only memory. We have also learned about the expansion cards. An expansion card is a small circuit board. It gives a computer the capability to control a storage device, an input device, or an output device. Basic purpose of an expansion card is to enhance the capability of the computer. There are four major types of expansion cards. Number 1, sound cards. A sound card allows a computer to receive sound in digital form and reproduce it through speakers. Number 2, graphic cards. A graphic card enables a computer to display output images on the monitor screen. Number 3, network interface card. A network interface card enables a computer to connect and communicate with other computers. Number 4 is modem. Modem is used to transmit digital data over telephone wires. Usually, it is used for dial-up internet connections. In today's video, we will assess our knowledge that we have learnt in the previous videos, or in this week, we will assess our knowledge by MCQs and by fill in the blanks as well as question answer. Now we will solve the MCQs. Number 1 MCQ is: there are dash types of memory. We have learned that memory have two types, mean there are two types of memory. Number 2 MCQ is: which one of the following parts of the CPU controls the sequence of the instructions? मीन इनमें से CPU का कौन सा पार्ट है जो कि इंस्ट्रक्शंस की सीक्वेंस को कंट्रोल करता है? लेट्स सी, AU। नो, AU का फंक्शन है कि वो अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशंस को परफॉर्म करता है। CU, यस, कंट्रोल यूनिट। कंट्रोल यूनिट का काम है इंस्ट्रक्शंस की सीक्वेंस को कंट्रोल करना। हम फर्दर देख लेते हैं। LU, no, LU mean logical unit that will solve the logical operations. ALU, no, ALU mean arithmetic and logic unit that is the part of CPU but its function is to perform the arithmetic and logic operations. Number 2 MCQ, we have find the right answer is B option, mean control unit. Number 3 RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. A option, mean RAM किसका stand for है? Random access memory का. The other option is wrong. Number 4 ROM stores data. We have known that ROM stores data permanently, not temporarily or partially or fully. But ROM stores data permanently. Identify the part of system unit. System unit के parts कौन कौन से हैं? RAM, ROM, CD-ROM. All of these? Yes, all of these are the parts of system unit. Number 6, all the given devices are types of memory except मीन ये जो दिए गए पार्ट्स हैं इनमें से कोई एक ऐसा पार्ट है जो कि मेमोरी का हिस्सा नहीं है। SRAM, yes, this is the type of RAM. RAM, yes, this is the type of memory. ROM, yes, this is also the type of memory. HDD mean hard disk drive. Not, this is not the part of memory because it is the storage device. Mean the right answer is HDD. Number 7. A video game is played by using dash cards. Mean कौन सा कार्ड इस्तेमाल करते हुए हम वीडियो गेम्स को खेल सकते हैं? A. Sound card. No. Modem. No. Number C. Graphics. Yes. By using the graphic cards, we can play games. Now we will solve the fill in the blanks. Number 1. RAM is used for dash. RAM is used for temporary storage data. Number 2. ROM is dash memory. ROM is non-volatile memory. Number 3. Memory consists of dash chips. Memory consists of electronic chips. Dash is faster slot used for sound, graphics, modem and NIC. Mean PCI peripheral component interconnection is faster slot used for sound, graphics, modem and NIC. The answer is PCI. Number 5. Dash works like a traffic policeman. Mean control unit works like a traffic policeman. Number 6. CU stands for control unit. NIC stands for network interface card. Now we will assess our knowledge by giving the answer of questions. Question number 1. Define memory. The answer is memory. Memory consists of electronic chips. Memory stores instructions and data so that CPU can process them. It is the working space of the computer. Memory has two types, RAM and ROM. Question number 2. Write the names of major expansion cards and explain two of them. There are 4 major types of expansion cards. Number 1. Sound card. Number 2. Graphics card. Number 3. Network interface card. Number 4. modem. We can explain any two of them. Number 1. Graphics card. A graphic card enables a computer to display output images on the computer screen. Now we will explain the modem. Modem is used to transmit digital data over telephone wires. Usually it is used for dial-up internet connections. Question number 3. Why RAM is called volatile memory? हम मेमोरी को volatile memory क्यों कहते हैं? Answer is, it is a temporary storage area for data storage. RAM is volatile, that is, information is lost when the power is switched off. Question number 4. What is read-only memory? Answer. ROM stands for read-only memory. It is a permanent storage area. It contains startup instructions for the computer and information about its hardware devices. It is fixed on the motherboard. ROM is non-volatile, that is, information is not lost when the power is switched off. Data cannot be changed or removed from the ROM. Question number 5. What is the difference between RAM and ROM? We have already learnt about the RAM as well as ROM. We know RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is a temporary storage area for data before and after it is processed. It is attached to the motherboard. RAM is volatile, that is, information is lost when the power is switched off. And ROM stands for read-only memory. It is a permanent storage area. It contains startup instructions of the computer and information about its hardware devices. It is also fixed on the motherboard. We have assessed our knowledge. that we have learned in this week. इसके साथ ही हमारी आज की वीडियो ख़त्म हुई। इससे रेलिवेंट अगर कोई क्वेरी हो तो आप कमेंट पोस्ट कर सकते हैं। अल्लाह हाफिज़।